How to add welcome bot to Discord. So if you want to add a welcome bot to your Discord, then first you need to open up your Discord app. You need to log into your account. After logging in, and now you just need simply go with a server, any server that you're comfortable with. Go with the drop down and select app directory. Now here, you just need simply go with search, and under search you need to search for ProBot. After searching, you will find the ProBot right here. So you just need simply go with add app and then go with trust and then go with visit site. Now you need to go with a server, scroll down and then select the server in which you would like to add that, and then go with continue. Scroll down again and go with authorize. Verify, click on I am a human. Now once it's verified, the ProBot will be added. Now here on the left side, you will have welcome and goodbye. So click on it. And then if you want to add welcome and goodbye sections, then you just need simply go and toggle these on. To send a message when a user joins the server, you need to go and toggle it on and type the message that you would like to send to the user after he or she joins the server. Like for example, you can write welcome or something like that. And after that, you need to select the channel. I'll go with the general channel and go with save changes. And that's it. Second option is send an image when a user joins the server. So if you want to send an image, you can go and toggle this on, enter the image that you would like to send, and then save. And the third one is send a message when a user leaves the server. You can go and toggle this on also, and you can write something as a goodbye message. So that's how you can add a welcome bot to your Discord server. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.